Attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. Just making this small video about a couple of trades that we did today, February 11. Actually, we started on 9th and 9, 10, 11. The setups were ready on 9 and we closed the trades today. I just wanted to show how we did and how the system works and my analysis. Alright, so let's get started. The first chart that this is a pound Aussie. I have my in my last webinar I did a very thorough analysis of this pair, long-term, monthly chart, weekly chart, and the trend is all the way up very strongly, and we were looking for long setups. So this is one of the long setup came in on the 9th, the February 9th. And I said we're gonna bounce from here. And what happened to this pair is, let me show you. We went first here, and then basically we went all the way. You can see here, monthly R1. Okay, and quite a few pips. My trade from Magic IB system using that is 300 plus pip. I probably closed like around 290. Anyway, so this was, see, at the time I took this picture, it was 307 up. Okay, so this is one of the trade we did, very nice and clean. By the way, this is what I'm showing here, and I had several small entries from 5-minute charts, 1-minute chart as well, using the same system, because the same setup you can see on all of those time frame. The other chart was a very good one, was pound yen. Okay, this is the one. It's on 4-hour chart, and again, pound yen analysis we did on the webinar, and we decided that the trend is up. We're gonna be going up, and the price was here when I did the webinar. And in my webinar, I told that we're probably gonna drop to this high or this high, and then go up to for the TL, and that's what we did. And when we came here, start posting a hammer, I made this chart and sent out, and we went nice and clean to the TL, and right there. And this is the picks I got in the afternoon. Then I went to sleep, just woke up. So this was the final trade was 340 pip. I was alive here, 357. Okay, so again, this is same thing using that IB system. You can see here how the IB changes color and provide in like inside bar here. See blue candle all the way, and then all of a sudden a small red bar. This is called inside bar, and again the red, and then all of a sudden a blue bar, which is inside bar. It's inside the previous different color candle, so that's why I call it IB system. And then from there you can go on a smaller time frame and start hitting this pair. So not a very nice pippage in this one, and there's another one which I closed a little early. It was a nice one, but the chart I sent out, you can see, whoops, where are you going, man? Here. Okay, so again, this one also after the correction has A, B in place, and then breakout of this wedge happen, and then from there we wanted to go here, A, B, C, D, 100%, 147. What happened to this pair? See, I got in and I closed only for 80 pips at this one. Okay, but it went all the way here, very close, and from there it didn't get to the top. This is the live chart right now, so it went and it's dropping a little bit, but it may go up and hit this, or may go beyond that, and it depends. But the setup is over. So 300, 340, and 80, quite a few pipish, right? Only 3 setups, and there are a lot of other setups that come every other day. Every day, like this one. This was a setup. It's gone, and basically, if you look at this one, let's say pound yen, okay, the one we just did at the TL. It went to the TL. The question is that it's going to break the TL or hold. See right here? Okay, this is how it is. All right, so basically the setup plays out and it goes somewhere and create another setup. So if you look at closely, this is a bearish setup right now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hitting the TL. So if it flip, it will flip to the downside. So we need to know where it's going and how we get in. So to get in and to confirmation, for the confirmation, that's where my magic wave strategy comes into play, and this magic IB. Okay, so I'm gonna make this chart and send out to my subscriber and telling them what do I think. Just like, you know, from here to here. So now what? From here to go up here on these highs or come down. It depends on the higher time frame. So that's what I do. I do the analysis, then I do the webinar, explain everything to everyone and all my subscribers, and then on a smaller time frame, I just make those charts and send them out quickly. Because, by the way, I send them on the Twitter as well. Let me show you where the Twitter is. You see this here? This chart. See this one, pound yen. For our chart, I send out that it came down to support and may bounce, pointing here. And this one also, so look for longs in GA and UJS discussed in the webinar. Okay, so I send the chart of this is GA, but I think UJ chart got messed up somewhere, or I didn't send, I don't know. It's maybe somewhere up there. And then again, last night I said the GA trade setup and no, not this one. Here, GA is making a move to the upside again. This time it might break the current resistance. It broke the current resistance and went up 200. And I got in. And that's how, you know, that's where we got a lot of pippage. Anyway, so this is what it is. You know, I send the charts in the email, show them the webinar, explain them the webinar, all the trade setups, how I do it. You get to learn everything. Plus on the Twitter, on a smaller time frame, you know, 1 hour, 4 hour charts with the setup, I send out with the instruction what to do. So this is it. You know, so if you like what you see, go to my website, check it out and subscribe and be a part of it. And you know, if not all of these pippage, at least get some. All right, but again, if you are doing good already, doing you know, positively, then, you know, keep doing whatever you're doing. You don't need to go on my website. But if you're really struggling and you need to learn, then this is the place. Come on in, join us, and start learning and making pips. Okay, all right then. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.